What's happening? Uy, ni Apple si nakakuha ka.
There's some at the room upstairs.
Uy. Nakakuha mo?
Kali lang mo ay.
Ay. Bebe. Oh,
Maybe it's inside the bag. Maybe it's
Mary,
on my
did you
bag.
find
Here,
something?
here.
Where? Okay.
Guys, Chief, help me! Yay!
Oh, you found one? Coco, did you find something? Woo! Kuya. How many did you get na? Ah, salad. Oh, no. Uy, Mary. Oh, a lot downstairs. Go. Give me your egg, babe. Give me your egg, kay para dili mawala. Go.
Find it on the couch.
Nagkagupot na. Oh, wow. Ay, si Apple na ka. Oh. Oh, Ninyo. Ninyo, did you find any egg? Did you find any egg, Ninyo? What? See? Okay. Did you find any egg, Ninyo? Huh? Huy. Wa ka ni join?
There's some.
Na.
I put some inside here.
Hey, Mom, how's it boiling?
Oh, careful. So that one will not spill. Be
I
careful
found
so
two
it cannot
more.
Nabitoy gagmay kayo, care.
spill. Maybe it's in here. You don't know where it's here. Find it.
Ransak yun.
Too short.
Nagana niyo sa puso na yun.
Yeah. Chief!
Did you find any?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, that's cool. Si Ninya, usara yung nakita, no? Usara.
Mamon?
Actually, murag ikaw may kinadagan ko. Ate, wow, you found another one. Yeah. Oh, wow, that's so nice, ate. How about you check there on the couch? On the couch.
Find the couch.
Ay, ate. There, at the back, ate, you try.
Beneath the couch.
No, not that one. You find eggs, not that stuffed toys. Couch. At the back, ate, at the back.
Found them!
Mary, at the back. There.
Hey, not these eggs.
Oh, not that one.
Keith! I found 5!
Nadiri. Nangawa na ba si?
I found 6! I found 1. Keith!
Oh, wow. Na dito yas taas.
I found so many!
Oh my God. Where?
I got 6!
There's still some.
Nasa yung sa nagsigpang limpyo. Nagsigpang limpyo. Where man ate? Duharay mo ate? Where? This one dili ni mo, oh? There, ate, at the back of the couch. Oh, wow, kadaghan na sa kang koko, oh.
Bala na ko kumahari.
Advantage, home court advantage, man. Coco, eh? Home court advantage, man.
Bala na ko ko.
Guys, everyone, put the eggs in the basket. Put it in keep. Even my hand, put my hand there. I put my hand there.
Babe, give me your egg and then go there at the back. Try to find something at the back.
Got it already.
No, ano more na?
We
Oh.
I got him.
You share. I don't know.
Wala na? Hurot na?
You already have. We will have that for when you play.
No, we did a chicken here. No, but we can't hide anything there. My grandma will just spoil it. No.
Okay. All done. How many eggs did you get? You got 2. That's good. How many did you get, Ki? Wow.
We all shared.
Oh, how about Ates? Oh my God.
Don't say God.
Gosh, I said gosh.